Yo, what's up guys? Today officially starts the first day of van life. Full time, doing it up, YouTube 3 times a week. Today, we're gonna go to Lake Havasu, and then we're gonna go to Anaheim for 3 weeks and do a little Southern California theme park vacation. Let's roll.
Yo, what's up everybody? We're the Arceys, and after years and years of dreaming about getting a van and traveling all over America, we finally did it. We bought a van. So follow us on our journey as we drive state to state, eating the local foods, seeing the best views, and creating memories that'll last a lifetime. This is Arcesadventures.
Hey Daddy, you show the people this window? Man from the window is right here.
That's creepy. That dude is creepy. Who's ready for Disneyland?
Me!
We're gonna go to Lake Havasu. It's gonna be about 5 hours. Okay, peace. Gas is $5.04 a gallon.
Emotional damage! That's a very...
More than halfway through our trip, and we are at another gas station, and they're robbing me again. This time it is $5.39 a gallon. Dude.
You wanna go back to Kuwait? Where the water is more expensive than the gas?
Jeremy went inside after gassing up. Jeremy went inside and get us a sandwich and get a bag of ice. And
Yay!
look what we're doing.
Chicken nuggets and shrimp, and then they're still asking me for fries.
That right there is the chicken nuggets from the van.
Chicken nuggets by the van. Chicken
Nuggets by the van. Chicken nuggets by the van. Check it out, guys. We just arrived to our campsite here at Lake Havasu State Park. We got campsite number 40. This is what it looks like. Electricity. And we got our water.
You're all over the place.
I'm not an artist.
Hey guys, we're at Juicy's, and guess who I ran into? What's up? Good morning from Arizona, Lake Havasu. We're at the state park. About to be sunrise. We're gonna go take some photos by the water. Second day of van life. We're gonna head out to Anaheim today. Hey kids, ready to take some photos?
Yeah!
Let's go take some photos.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but again, away feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, man. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking...
I'm about to switch out cameras and take a family photo over there.
Save yourself.
Ow! Ow! How's the water, kids?
Good, but can I use your search to the water on my eye?
Yeah, sure, because that's what good dads do. You guys want to play a game?
Oh, Little Mermaid!
Let's play game King of the Table. Whoever stands on the table at the end is the champion. And I gotta kick you kids off of here. Get off of here, get off of here. We just took showers. We're nice and fresh and clean. Got some Nutella. We're about to make some sandwiches.
don't.
You know, Nutella is so healthy.
Jesse, don't.
It got,
Almost put me in the eye.
I don't know, artificial flavors. That's pretty healthy.
Wait.
You know, I could have been a chef if I wanted to. I focused on having a family, so it's your kid's fault I'm not a chef. Here you go.
I'm really hungry. I'm dying.
Dying.
Me too.
You too? You're dying? You see how Jacob's hanging off the bed? That's good, because then you don't make a mess. That's a good van life hack. Eat your sandwich with your head outside the door. Okay?
But can you take off the edges?
The edges? The crust?
Yeah.
Let me press this button for the crust machine.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, so. Thank you.
Welcome. Just a day of life of a dad. You don't want the crust either? Push the button. Beep. Oh, perfect.
You're best dad.
Thank you.
You're best dad I ever seen.
So after this, we're probably gonna pack up and head over to California. Before we leave, I'm gonna give you guys a quick bathroom tour. You got your toilet, you got a sink, and you got a shower.
I hope you enjoy your tour. Have a nice day.
Next stop, Anaheim. We just checked in. We're over here at Anaheim Harbor RV Park.
You got discount for military?
Yeah, 10% veteran. We are site 132. Let's go. All right, we just made it to our spot. Let's check it out.
I need to go. I need to eat.
Whoa, cool.
Let me eat this brown one. It had some chicken.
Dude, who took a bite out of that one? The baker did. He made sure it was good. Who's ready for van life?
Me.
Who's ready for homeschool?
Me.
100 homeworks.
Me.
What? You guys want 100 homework assignments?
No.
So me and the kids were out here swimming and I needed to take off my boxers, so I went and hid behind this tree to take off my boxers, but I fell into the water, so now my boxers are wet when I was trying to take them off and keep them dry. Sucks for me, right? Oh well. Let's go eat some breakfast.
Hey, Jasmine.
What the heck?
I put tape there.
You fixed it, but it didn't get fixed. Do you like the van? What's your favorite part of living van life?
Having fun with my family.
That's perfect. Come on. There.
Well, mine.
Your sandwich?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of van life?
Makeup.
The makeup? The heck? Yo, what's up, Lake Havasu boats and hoes? Not really. We got a van and a couple kids.
Oh! What the heck?
Still happy though.